Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this amazing blue eye halo makeup look. So if you're interested in learning this look, just keep on watching this video. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first I'm applying toner and then moisturizer to my skin to prep my skin first. Then I move on to eyes, then I'm conceal my eyes and blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Then from a blue shade I'm going to apply it on my inner corners and outer V, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of a blending brush. Then at the mid of my eyelids I'm going to apply some concealer. After that I'm going to apply a shimmer shade above it. After that I'm going to apply a silver glitter on it, and then moving on to face, first I'm using aloe vera gel as a primer. Then I'm gonna use foundation. For the concealer I'm taking Maybelline concealer in the shade Honey, and then I'm going to apply it under my eyes and to highlight my face, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of a beauty blender. To set my concealer I'm going to use Fit Me powder. I'm going to use the same shade as I used on my eye look to my lower lash line as well. Now add some mascara. Then from the Miss Claire blusher palette I'm going to use that bronze shade, and then from the same palette I'm going to use the blush shade, and then from the Swiss Beauty highlighter palette I'm going to highlight my face. And then for the lipstick I'm going to use Maybelline lipstick in the shade brown, and then after that I'm going to use Swiss Beauty lipstick above it. So this is how the whole look turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and have some valuable thing out of it, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss my any videos, and also do like my video and comment. So till then, take care, goodbye.